Hey guys, Dan here with Battlefield Curator. As you know, I hit 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. If you really want to support the channel, be sure to pulverize that like button and subscribe if you haven't. Also check out the merch link in the description. That'll really help us out here, guys. So, what we're gonna go over, I'm gonna do a little unboxing of this silver plaque or this YouTube award that they give you for hitting 100,000 subs. You also get another award if you hit 1 million subs. Also, you get another one if you hit 10 million subscribers, and that's the diamond one. But this is the first one you get, the 100,000 subscriber one. So I'm going to unbox it, and I'm going to give you guys some pro tips if you're going to start out on YouTube, or if, let's say, you've already started out on YouTube and you want to get better, because this is your passion, right? So let's unbox this. Let's see what this looks like here. I'm sure it'll be amazing. It looks pretty cool, looks pretty snazzy. And if you know what kind of bayonet this is, make sure you put it in the comments section. All right, and we are unboxing this piece of foam. And they give you a little letter here. And yeah, they just, you know, there's no check in here though, no extra check or money or anything, so, but they give you a little letter and a little card. And then there's the plaque itself. Look at that. It's in nice little wrapping here. It's actually lighter than I thought it would be. You know, I thought it'd be heavier. I'm thinking when I see these things on other channels, I'm thinking they're like pretty stout and heavy, but no, this is actually really light, which is great because you probably don't want to, you know, carry something super heavy around and hang it on your wall. So there is little hanging clips here, so you can hang it on your wall on the back side. But pretty much it says, presented to Battlefield Curator for passing 100,000 subscribers. So when you hit 100,000 subs, it takes about a week for them to review your channel, and then you get an email, and it's a YouTube Awards email. And within the email, you have to like go to this website. There's a link, and pretty much you fill it out. You fill out a form and make sure everything's correct, and then they send you the award like a week later. So thank you guys for supporting the channel, and here's some pro tips if you're starting out on a YouTube channel. So if you haven't started yet, the first thing I say is start. If you're thinking about starting, just do it. I think that's pretty much one of the things that people are most hesitant on. Even if they don't have a nice camera, they just have their phone, you can still start. It might not be the best quality, but you at least started, and you can start to get into a rhythm of things and figure out how you're going to proceed with starting your channel. Providing your information, providing whatever it is, your passion, showing your passion and your hobby off to others. And that's what I was interested in, is I wanted to share the information with others. So my YouTube channel was Battlefield Curator. Me and a friend wanted to start up a channel about providing historical information, historical facts, showing off historical weaponry, tactics, going to different battlefields, covering a lot of the history, and that's what we started doing. It was kind of a rocky start, but we still started, and sadly my friend just could not keep up the pace, and we tried to film a video in the beginning, but our schedules weren't working out, and he just wasn't that interested in presenting the information in the beginning. So next thing, camera, lights, audio. Some of the most important things you can get for your channel are a good camera, lighting equipment, and audio equipment. So I got a little DJI lav mic here, wireless lav mic, works out really well, and I really like it because it's compact. The camera, it's being recorded on an iPhone right now, and you know, that's all you need really to start out. And I've gotten a Sony and I've got a Panasonic that I also use for larger shoots. You also want a laptop to edit, or you can just edit on your phone, because the easiest, most simplest way to edit is on your smartphone. And if you have an iPhone, you can get the iMovie app for free, and you can just edit on your phone, or you can edit on a tablet. But definitely get a phone with a lot of space if you don't already have one, and a nice camera on their phone. You don't want to get a smartphone that has a bad camera and not enough space to edit, because then you're not going to be able to share a lot of what you do. Lighting equipment, go online, get you like 3 lights, like 3 ring lights, maybe 2. you know, 2 facing this way and then maybe a backlight coming this way. Right now I don't have a backlight coming this way, but that's fine. All right, the YouTube app and the Studio YouTube app, the 2 apps on your smartphone that you definitely need if you're gonna make videos. I recommend if you're making videos, make sure you set everything you upload to unlisted and then go back and edit the description and edit the title, edit your thumbnail, make sure everything's edited. You definitely want to edit the thumbnail. Now, some people, the cheapest way to edit a thumbnail is just using Canva. A lot of people just use Canva. I just use a photo editing app on my laptop. But yeah, these 2 apps are very important, and I do a lot of uploading and I do a lot of description editing within these apps. One thing about YouTube that makes YouTube better than all other platforms, in my opinion, is it's got shorts. It's got community posts where you can post pictures, do polls and everything. It's got podcasts. It's got videos, which is their bread and butter, honestly, and consistent. You gotta consistently upload stuff. And if you do get monetized eventually, make sure you're using the Studio app to set up your description, set up your monetization, and set up all your other stuff in there. It definitely is easier than going on your laptop and doing everything on your laptop, in my opinion. And the one thing that I think people need to focus on when they have a YouTube channel is to provide value, right? So what are you gonna provide as value if you provide information, right? This is gonna be your core of all your videos. What are you gonna provide that helps other people out? If you think about it that way, that you're helping other people out, see, people are going to see that you are providing that info, and they're gonna stick to your channel for a very long time. They're gonna keep coming back for more. They want more info. So if you're posting this information consistently, then you'll just keep grabbing more people to come to your channel to get that information. So these are just some of the pro tips that I think would help you out if you're getting started or you're in the YouTube. You know, if you are already in YouTube but you want to get better, maybe look at your camera, your lights, and your audio, your presentation skills. Biggest things really that grab people's attention are the titles and the thumbnails. And if you're providing value, you're gonna bring in those people that want to see that value. All right, well, thanks for tuning in, guys. Hope to see you in the next video. And remember to pulverize that like button and subscribe. Also check out the merch, link in the description. And as always, be sure to learn history and curate history. Make it a great day.